Hey, Ed. Your feet. Here, watch. There you go. Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, it's
Now,
warm.
here's a pillow.
Ooh, that's warm. Oh, here's a pillow. Look, here's a pillow back here, too.
Now lay down and put your head on your pillow.
Yeah.
And get in your bag.
There's the cars, yeah. Night. Good night.
More candy for when you use your mouth.
Here.
I'll put the penguin to bed.
Night, penguin. Night. Good night, penguin.
And then you can zip it up here.
There.
All right.
What a bed.
Yeah.
There, wake up. It's time to wake up. She loves pillows and blankets.
What?
What color is that flashlight?